Hey everyone, quick video of Volvo Group Trucks Operations New River Valley Assembly Plant. This is located in Dublin, Virginia, the world's largest Volvo manufacturing facility in the world. It's ISO 9001 certified, various other certifications as well. That was the new customer center here on the right, very beautiful with a test track next to it. Caught a glimpse of a really big, awesome looking Volvo VNX truck, which is for heavy hauling, low boys, etc. But all Volvo trucks sold in North America are produced here at the New River Valley plant, including the VNL line, VNX, VHD, etc. So really big facility, the paint shop there, located in beautiful Dublin, Virginia. So really awesome site, beautiful campus here. We've got a windmill for power generation, beautiful trees, landscaped. It's really a very impressive facility. I think it's about 300 acres and 1.6 million square feet under roof here in Dublin, Virginia. So this is Volvo Truck New River Valley Plant, Dublin, Virginia. Thanks guys for watching.